Totally Mondo. Coming up, we've got the Starmeister himself stargazing on the net. We've got steaming reviews of the latest and greatest games. We've got a link up with Live 95. And we check out the life on some games magazines. But first, back by public demand, it's... Let's get astronomical!
Space. The birthplace of the universe. Or just a big black thing with not a lot in it. Ever wanted to look at Uranus from the comfort of your own home? We have megastars who'll tell you how.
People must be fascinated by the stars. Even our remote cave-dwelling ancestors must have been. Look up into the starlit sky. You see there thousands of shining points. But what are they? The cavemen didn't know. Now we know. The stars are suns. But how many people get the chance to see star systems or even nearer things such as planets through a powerful telescope? A lot of people don't. And that's been remedied now by this remarkable telescope at Bradford University.
I first heard about the robotic telescope, to be honest with you, only a few days ago. I had no idea that you could actually log on to a robot telescope on the internet and tell it what to do. And I think that's absolutely amazing. I understand it's one of the only ones in the world. And to actually be able to control a telescope from your computer screen, actually in the comfort of your own home, seems a wonderful way of observing rather than going out on a chilly night and waiting for the clouds to clear.
A person at home who wants to come into the telescope would dial up their internet provider and would put in the address of our internet page. On selecting the telescope and using the telescope, we get the login page. And here we can either log in or register. We have 7,000 users from 60 countries, and what a normal user would want to do is to submit a job to the telescope. So you go into looking for an observing request, you get two alternatives, either browse through a list or add your own specific job. We get about 400,000 requests, information requests every week. Most of these come from the United States, from schools and colleges. But we've been funded recently by the Particle Physics and Astronomy Research Council to help put UK schools onto the net and to use the telescope.
I had not seen this system before. Robotic telescopes, of course, have been built. I had not seen anything like this. And when I came here, frankly, I was staggered at the quality of the images that are being produced. It's what I expected, only about 50 times better.
This is an image that we downloaded recently from the telescope, and you can clearly see the craters and the shadows in the craters on the moon. So here you have an image that doesn't look as exciting as the moon image, but actually you can process it with our FITS viewer here and bring out something that we were very surprised to find, a supernova, quite by chance.
If you can see the moon and the spiral galaxies in their real form, you start to inquire, what exactly are they? How do they go about it? And that breeds a new generation of scientists. After all, your casual viewer of today who tunes into internet and sees an image with this telescope may be your professional researcher of tomorrow, and those are the people we need.
Hey, Interstellar Meister, I'm with you!